Next we have to continue online class third year maths and the subject is mathematics for competitive examination 2 unit 5 allegation or mixture formula. First one, allegation. It is the rule that enables us to find the ratio in which two or more ingredients at the given price must be mixed to produce a mixture of a desired price. Second one, mean price definition. This is the important definition. The cost price of a unit quantity of the mixture is called the mean price. Third one, rule of allegation. If two ingredients are mixed, then quantity cheaper dividing by quantity of dearer equal to Cp of dearer minus mean price dividing by mean price minus Cp of cheaper. We present as under. Middle one is mean price M. First one is Cp of a unit quantity of cheaper C. Second one is Cp of a unit quantity Cp of a unit quantity of dearer D. Third one is dm. Fourth one is mc. D into m. Third one. Fourth one is m into c. Cheaper quantity is to dearer quantity equal to d into m is to m into c. Fourth one, suppose a container contains x units of liquid from which y units are taken out and replaced by water. After n operations, the quantity of pure liquid equal to x into 1 minus y dividing by x power n units. Next example 1. In what ratio must rice at rupees 9 into 30 per kilogram be mixed with at rupees 10.80 per kilogram so that the mixture be worth rupees 10 per kilogram? Solution. By the rule of allegation, we have Cp of 1 kilogram rice of first kind in pies. Second one is Cp of 1 kilogram rice of second kind in pies. Third one is 80. Last one is 70. Middle value is mean price in pies 1000. So therefore required ratio equal to 80 is to 70. So equal to 8 in 8 is to 7. Next example 2. How much water must be added to 60 liters of milk at 1 into 1 by 2 liters for rupees 20 so as to have a mixture worth rupees 10 into 2 by 3 a liter? Solution. Cp of 1 liter of milk equal to rupees 20 into 2 by 3 equal to rupees 40 dividing by 3. Cp of 1 liter of water next Cp of 1 liter of milk rupees 40 dividing by 3 0. First one. Middle value is mean price rupees 32 dividing by 3. At the third one 40 dividing by 3 minus 20 minus 32 dividing by 3 equal to 8 by 3. Last one is 32 dividing by 3 minus 0 equal to 32 dividing by 3. Next, therefore ratio of water and milk equal to 8 by 3 is to 32 dividing by 3 equal to 8 is to 32. Next, quantity of water to be added to 60 liters of milk equal to 1 by 4 into 60 liters. So 1 by 4 into 60 liters. So cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா 15 liters. Third sum, in what ratio must water be mixed with to gain 20% by selling the mixture at cost price? Solution, let's Cp of 1 milk let Cp of milk be rupees 1 per liter, then Sp of 1 liter of mixture equal to rupees 1, gain obtained equal to 20%. So therefore Cp of 1 liter of mixture equal to rupees 100 dividing by 120 into 1 equal to rupees 5 by 6. By the rule of alligation, we have middle value is rupees 5 by 6. First one is Cp of 1 liter of water 0, Cp of 1 liter of milk. Third one is 1 minus 5 by 6 equal to 1 by 6. Fourth one is 5 by 6 minus 0 equal to 5 by 6. Next, ratio of water and milk equal to 1 by 6 is to 5 by 6 equal to 1 is to 5. Next, fourth sum, how many kilograms of wheat costing rupees 8 per kilogram must be mixed with 36 kilogram of rice costing rupees 5 into 40 per kilogram, so that 20% gain may be obtained by selling the mixture at 7 into 20 per kilogram. So solution is Sp of 1 kilogram mixture equal to rupees 20, gain equal to 20%. Therefore Cp of 1 kilogram mixture equal to rupees 100 dividing by 120 into 7 into 7.20 equal to rupees 6. By the rule of alligation, we have Cp of 1 kilogram wheat of first kind. Next, Cp of 1 kilogram wheat of second kind 540 paise. Model value is mean price 60 paise, 600 paise, 600 p. So third one is 60, last one is 200. Third one is 60 wheat of first kind. Fourth one is 200 wheat of second kind equal to 60 is to 200 equal to 3 is to 10. So let x kilogram of wheat of first kind be mixed with 36 kilogram of wheat of second kind, then 3 is to 10 equal to x is to 36. So 10x equal to 3 into 36 dividing by 10. So x is equal to 10.8 kilogram. So x value is 10.8 kilogram. Thank you, students.